everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome recipe and they are rolls with some berries and it's really delicious and easy to make. Follow my channel to see more of my videos. Here I'm using some dried berries and soaking them in hot water. Then I'm leaving them into more hot water. After, I'm just soaking them with some paper and drying them out. After, I'm just cutting here some onions. Then add some cheese. Then add some more cheese there that is more creamy. Add the berries and mix it all very well, and the onions. Then put the lavash on the table and spread the mixture on top. After, just roll it out and then cut it about 2 centimeters. Then plate it as good as you want to. I chose to do this way as a pyramid. It looks like a Christmas tree. It's super cool to make and super original. I hope you like this recipe and you choose to try it because it's delicious. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.